There are 2 brand new subscriptions launching today. Let's check them out. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm really excited to share with you these 2 subscription offers that are being offered from Planything starting today, May 15th. These are kind of a throwback. I understand that Planything used to offer some subscriptions. She stopped. Amber decided to go a different direction, but now she's bringing them back, and I know a lot of people are really excited. So we have 2 different subscriptions. There is a washi tape subscription and a planner subscription, and I think you're going to love both. So in this video, we're going to unbox them, check them out. I'm going to give you all the info about how the subscriptions work. Let's go. All right, I do have an affiliate link down below. I would love it if you decide to shop to use that affiliate link. The discount codes, though, do not work on subscription boxes. Just a heads up on that. No discount codes will work. Okay, let's start with this one. This is the washi tape subscription. It is going to run $14.99 a month. You will get different washi tapes in this than you can get in the planner subscription, and different washi tapes than you can get on the website. These are going to be unique to just the subscription pack. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Okay, there are 6 different washi tapes in this pack, and I'm so excited. It is black and white, which is probably the washi tape that I use the most, black and white washi. We have 2 of the medium ones and 4 of the skinny ones, including probably my favorite washi of all time, the scallop washi. I say it over and over again, you guys, I cannot get enough of the scallops. I think they are adorable. So here's how it works. The subscriptions open on the 15th of each month. That's when the term will start. When you sign up, you are signing up for at least 2 months. You can cancel your subscription after 2 completed payments if maybe, your stash is getting too big, all of that business. And the themes and the colors are going to vary. Sometimes it's going to be seasonal. Sometimes it's not going to be seasonal. It's going to vary each month. It's going to be a surprise for you. All right, I'm going to open these up and we're going to pull out a piece of paper to swatch these really fast. All right, I've pulled out my catch-all planner. I'm just going to flip to the back to an empty notes page so that we can swatch this washi. Now, I will tell you from experience, having a subscription, getting a subscription each month is so fun. It's something to look forward to in the mail each and every month. It's like a little surprise. This one is super cute. Look at that. Love that. It's a little surprise, a little bit of happy mail that you're guaranteed each and every month. This one has like writing on it. It looks to be not necessarily like a specific language, but I kind of dig the messy look of that. Here is my beloved washi scallops. You guys, it just had such a pretty edge to your page. I love it. We have some white polka dots on a black background. Very pretty. These are like definitely staple type washis. These are ones that you will be able to use over and over again. This one for sure. I love this one. And then we have, this is a cute one too, the little plus signs. Adorable. So you get 6 washis for $14.99, a pretty darn good deal. I think this would be a really fun subscription, especially if you love washi. And plus, the other thing is, the cool thing about subscriptions, say you get it and maybe your washi tape is full or whatever, these make great gifts. So being able to just have something that's coming in to give to your planner friends is fantastic. So that is the washi subscription that is available now. And then there is a planner subscription as well. The theme this month is bookworm, as you can tell from the super cute package. P.S. Save your packages because you can definitely repurpose these. The planner subscription is going to run you $34.99 because it has a lot more in it, including a sticker book. So let me get this unpacked and I'll show you what is inside. All right, so this is bookworm, book lover theme, you guys. It is so stinking cute. First of all, you get 3 washies. You will not get the same washi tape in this subscription as you do in the washi subscription. Let me just swatch these out for you as well. They're going to go along with the theme. We have this blue kind of hexy look, which is very cute. Love that. We have a grid, some basics to add. Oh, that's a fun color combo. I like that a lot. And then you guys, look how stinking cute this is. All of the books lined up. I love that so much. So you get those 3 washies. Then you have this. This is, I believe, cardstock. Let me pop this open and see. So you can easily use these papers for decorating within your planner. They're double-sided. There's one side. Oh, this is fun to cut into bookmarks. Oh, I love that. You have this one. Very cute. And then the bookshelf. Love. These would also fit really nice if you punch them just into your planner and maybe created your own special inserts, maybe a book log or something like that. That is super cute. So you get those 3 specialty papers, a notepad, which is so pretty. It is double-sided, which again, what I love about this is that you can easily punch the side of this and pop it into your planner, which is a lot of fun. Love that. Very perfect for summer. I love that it's like bright book theme as well. And then a full-on sticker book. Let's see. This one I believe is 20 pages, 20 sticker sheets, book lovers, 434 stickers. Let's check it out. Oh, it is so pretty. This has like a painted quality. This is on clear. Couple of those. This one though, I love with the florals. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Here's like your bookstore, your romantic bookstore feel. So cute. I can just imagine the scenes already. And now you're like inside your bookstore. This is giving me the vibes. Have you guys seen on YouTube when you can just go to a channel that just shows you like a background, like a bookstore background, and it plays like soft music? That gives me this vibe. Then you have some functional stickers as well. Love. Oh, these with the rainbows. Rainbow colors. Yes, please. Oh, I'm here for it. Rainbow books. So cute. And then some black functional stickers. Same. We have reading, currently reading, review, time to read, read list. 2 of those pages. Read more books. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. We are made of stories. Books are uniquely magic. Just one more chapter. So many books, so little time. Absolutely fun. So these are really fun to get to play with in your planner, to change things up. And it's kind of like a surprise theme each month. And if you love Planything stickers, I like how it's a mix of the decorative and functional. I think that's fabulous. If you like Planything stickers, then you're guaranteed a new sticker book every month, which is awesome. Something else to note, these products will not be sold separately until like the subscription box is sold out, if that makes sense. So you're not gonna be able to purchase the book lovers separately for a good long time. So if that's what you're into, if you want to guarantee that you're getting those books, you're definitely gonna wanna sign up for that subscription. All right, well, I'm ready to take advantage of this beautiful subscription and create a page. I think I'm actually going to work in my faith planner. So if you want to hang out and see a plan with me, let's do it. All right, I am working in my Venti size faith planner, and I love how simply these spreads can come together. I could not resist using the notepad. The notepad is so pretty. It's perfect for summer. I'm trying to figure out what washi tape I want to use with it. I'm just going to tear this because I love this illustration. So I'm very carefully tearing out the illustration, and I'm going to do that on a couple of different ones so that I can line the top of my page. Look how pretty that is going to be. I love that the notepad, you get a ton. So yes, you can cut it up, use it for things like this. And then of course, just have a beautiful notepad sitting out on your desk. And it's fun to get to change those out every month. I am writing stuff down constantly on notepads as I'm creating, as I'm doing videos, as I'm taking notes. When I'm watching other YouTube videos, it's just great to have those places to keep notes around. All right, we're gonna put a line of washi tape right here to kind of delineate the sections, and then I'm just gonna use some Tombow adhesive on the back of each of these pieces to put them down. It's going to end up covering up where it says prayerless and weekly focus. That's kind of okay with me. I ended up not using these very much in the end. Some weeks I do, some weeks I don't, but the other good thing is that because this is paper, I can easily write over the top of it. Let's get this one down. I do have a little bit that I need to white out. Let me just get that done. And then I love how it just comes together. Now, when I put this down, the two pieces didn't line up exactly, and there was a little bit of white space that I wasn't a fan of. So what I'm going to do is take a section of this right here and trim it out and cover up that little gap. And in the end, it kind of just disappears. We're just going to put this, it's like a little collage, decoupage type piece up there. And I'm in love. I'm in love. Like this could have been it. I know a lot of people like to reserve a lot of writing space in their faith planner, and I'm definitely one of those people. If you decorate just this top section, that would have been definitely good enough for me. I did want to bring just a little bit of extra, so I want to bring the blue washi tape onto several different portions of the page. So we're going to put it here on the bottom. Every place that I put blue washi, I want to have a stack of books. These are all on clear sticker paper. It's a nice thick sticker paper, actually. I'm always really pleased at the quality of the Planything sticker paper. And I just need to do a little bit of whiteout behind it. It's really the vertical lines that bother me. I don't know why that is. Let me know if you are the same way. It's vertical lines that bug me. When this goes over the horizontal lines, it's not a big deal. It's when there's a vertical line, it just disrupts the image. It's not my favorite. And so that's something I tend to white out. But like on this side, I'm going to continue the washi tape all across the bottom, just to help frame out the page. And on this side, I put the clear sticker down, horizontal lines going through, not a big deal. So that's just a personal preference thing. If on clear stickers you don't like seeing through, you can always use whiteout. You can also, if you need a clear sticker to have a solid background, you can just put it on your own white sticker paper and then fussy cut it out, and ta-da, you have a white backed sticker. All right, I'm going to look for opportunities to add a couple of more spots of washi tape on the page. I'm not going to do one on every single day of the week, but just a few more. And every time, like I said, every time I have the blue washi, I'm going to go ahead and put a stack of books there as well. Yes, it covers up some of the lines, but that's okay. I still think it's beautiful, and I cannot wait to get to use this faith planning page this week. Also, you can see just how well these products work together. I did this whole layout in about 15 minutes. So it came together really fast, and it's actually one of my more favorite layouts. I think it's super beautiful. I'm in love with all these books. I just kind of imagine them in my faith planner as like stacks of Bibles and devotionals, which is absolutely perfect. So once I get the last little stack of books on over here, I am going to add a few functional boxes, mostly because I still need to write on these boxes at the end of each day of the week. That's where I write the verses that I'm reading that particular day. So when I put the clear sticker down and it covered up a majority of the box, I definitely needed to include a space to write as well. All right, that is going to wrap it up for this planner spread. Let me know, what do you think of these new subscription boxes from Planything? I am so excited for Amber. Congratulations to her. And I'm so excited about each of these subscription boxes. I feel like there is a little something for everyone. Don't forget to check out my affiliate link down below. It helps me out so much when you are able to shop those links. So thank you in advance. I want to give a huge shout out to all my patrons. You all are the absolute best. If you want to join us over on Patreon and join in the fun, you can find a link down below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.